the Purl Ridge knit stitch pattern. Hi, I'm Kristen and welcome back to my channel, Studio Knit. This Purl Ridge stitch is a stockinette background textured by a horizontal row of these little raised purl seed stitches. It's an easy knit and purl pattern in a 4-row repeat, super easy to memorize. And it's not reversible because you'll see the back side, the wrong side. We have a reverse stockinette with a little bit of those purl ridges indented there on the wrong side. So it does look different on the back. The base of this texture is stockinette, which, you know, tends to curl up. So in this sample, I added a garter border to help it lie flat. I also did lightly block these pieces. For your materials, use any weight of yarn as well as appropriately sized knitting needles. You'll also want to have scissors and a tapestry needle on hand. If you want to learn about this stitch as well as receive even more, please like up this video and make sure to subscribe to my channel, Studio Knit. So let's knit it up. We begin by casting on absolutely any number of stitches, so that's a nice one. You can create scarves, blankets, pillows, anything you want. Make it as wide or as narrow as you'd like by casting on absolutely any number of stitches. Row 1, we are knitting all, so every single stitch all along row 1 here on the right side of our work is the knit stitch. So we're just knitting every single stitch right here all the way down to the end of the row. Once you get to the end of the row, we are doing row 2, and that is on the wrong side, and we're purling all. So we're beginning with our yarn in the front and we are purling every single stitch. And this is identical to how you begin the stockinette stitch pattern because this does have a base of stockinette. So row 3 right here, we are also keeping in line with that stockinette stitch by simply knitting all the way down the row. And you can see that pretty stockinette, that classic look right there, and it's curling up on us. And this is where the fun is. This is where that purl ridge happens. On row 4, we are knitting all. Now, if we were doing the stockinette stitch, we'd be purling all. But this is giving us that little ridge that has that visual interest. And there it is right there after you do row 4, that little purl bumps will show up for you. And you simply repeat rows 1 through 4 until your piece is the length that you desire. The written pattern is available on my website totally for free. I'll have the link down in the description. It is also included in my new knit stitch pattern book. Since this is a 4-row repeat, you can find it right here in the table of contents. Purl Ridge is on page 23. And let's flip to that so I can give you a little peek inside the book. You'll see there is a picture so you can see exactly what the texture looks like. We have a knitting chart and it tells you to cast on any number of stitches. You already knew that. And then I have instructions to knit it flat, which we just did on the straight needles, or in the round if you would like to do this on circular needles. You may order my printed book. It is available with free shipping worldwide, as well as the ebook version that you can immediately download. I also have a free little 5-pattern sampler if you'd like to see what that ebook is like. All you have to do is join my email list and you can download that immediately. I hope you're inspired to give this Purl Ridge knit stitch pattern a try. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you here next time. Bye!